MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Under 14, 16 at 18. Meron tayong mga champions na napangaralan. This time, under 21 naman, bakbakang Luzon versus Mindanao. Fabs Pampanga taking on RSGT Boulders from Davao. Baron Mercado covering the action. The Battle of the Champions. dito sa Junior MPBL. John Lloyd David knocks down the first three-pointer of the contest. Fabs Pampanga and Davao, two squads emerging on our championship, Battle of Champions elimination round, as Estomo, our best player of the game, missing on that shot, pero nakaalalay naman itong si EJ Buen. Yesterday, it was Davao outclassing Cebu City of Bogo. JLD, 2 threes. 7-4 is the score. Of course, Fabs Pampanga gave a special shout out once again. Team owner John Fabico. Kahapon nandito si Sir John Fabico supporting their squad, and they had a wonderful game yesterday. Table Garcia was the difference maker on their side. Just controlled the last 5 minutes of that game against Henrik Javier and Tugigaraw. Tugigaraw was up 10 points and they finished the game with at least a 22-24-4 run, led by 2 3-pointers ni Brix Bautista. Speaking of Bautista, turns the ball away on that bump. JLD will shoot 2 free throws. Charles Tien. Madam Ganders Bayani Peregrine, special shoutout sa iyo, Madam. Supporting Fabs Pampanga. Renito Puyos says go Davao. MC Raudeca, shoutout daw, watching from Tagabina. Comment section now starting to be filled with the supporters for either squads. JLD fakes that 3. Bautista knocks it down. 3 3-pointers for Fabs Pampanga. Getting that shot to go. 10-5 all the way on that layup. That is Ramirez for 2. 12-5 is the score. Solid shooting for Fabs Pampanga. Nice face. Lumanag will be fouled. Bernarte will be called for that one. Ito namang Davao kahapon, almost losing to City of Bogo, Cebu. That game went down the wire. 3-pointer made by Isa Duga Duga, looking to cut that lead looking to tie the game after being fouled shooting a 3. But luckily para sa Davao RS GT, I should say, makukuha nila ang panalo now facing Pampanga's finest. 12-11. That alley-oop didn't materialize. Ramirez enters the scoring column and now will be at the line, looking for this 7th and 8th point. JLD, John Lloyd David, knocks down the first. Sir John Fabico, watching sa ating live stream, perhaps merong other business to attend to, but nakatutok yan lagi sa Fabs Pampanga. Sabi ni Ross Magbuwal, shoutout daw kay JLD John Lloyd David, tito niya daw. Playing well, John Lloyd David, 8 points na. Fakes, EJ Buen this time. Siya ang didiskarte on that layup. $14-5 for these two teams. This is possibly game 1 of 2. Ang mananalo dito, waiting on the wings, our under 21 champions, Abra Weavers. Napakagandang laban nun, as Abra looking for a worthy opponent. Acero scores. Will it be players from Davao? Will it be players from Pampanga? Mamaya naman after this game, makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors will take on Apong Cagayan. Under 18 naman yun. 16-7. Fabs Pampanga having a 9-point lead. Jesse Puyos has now entered this ball game off the bench, usually a better player off, as that three-pointer didn't convert for Acero. (16-7). 4 minutes 21 remaining. Bautista versus Poyos on the backcourt. Pricks sends it on the right side. Didiskarte once again. Yuri had a good game. Open three again. Knocking down. Three-pointer number 3. JLD. David has caught fire. Dai Lau watching from Singapore. Shout out sa iyo, madam. 19-7. 12-point lead for Pampanga. David has 3 3-pointers already in the opening quarter. Puyos will be called for a push. Ramirez changing the complexion early. .12-point lead. Yuri on the bump. Sends it in the corner once again. Bang! 4 3-pointers. JLD, they turn the ball away. On the run, Bautista to add more. Goal! Fabs Pampanga, nagbabaga ang mga kamay. Bautista, David, raining down threes.
Liga ng bayan na to.
Prix Bautista and that man over there, JLD, John Lloyd David, combining for 18 points. 6 3-pointers. 4 kay David, 2 kay Bautista. Change the ball away on that drive. Ren Xavier will be at the line. We got to talk about John Lloyd David. Anong meron sa David na apelido? Nagbabaga ang kamay. On the pro scene, of course, made it famous. El Granada, Gary David. From Bataan. This time, may version din ang Pampanga, JLD, John Lloyd David. What's with those shooting right now? This is just really a tough task for Davao. Only scoring 7 points. 0. Balik kay Lumanid. Sends it on this drive. Jesse Poyos. Bitin yung kanyang drive. Bring the ball down. Yuri Masibak. Got to watch out for JLD once again. Camping in that corner. Yuri, jumper is good. Two minutes 20 remaining. Nice pass. Poyos and one. If you are Davao, need to stand here. Huwag padadala. Maybe this is just a strong first quarter surge from Pampanga. Hope that their outside shooting will cool off eventually in this game. Kaya yung mga plays na yan ni Puyos can help them, relax and find their footing. (27-10). Again, 18 points combined. David and Bautista from the outside. Looking to join them, Dane Siazon. Not just David, not just Bautista, everyone from Fabs hitting their shots. Jesse Poyos on the other hand, just standing, helping his squad here. Almost a steal. Balik ang bola sa Fabs Pampanga. Javier and company, my 17-point lead. Fakes on that attack. I see here Simbulan entering the game. Dane Siazon and one. Fabs Pampanga, parang ginanahan sila nung nalaman nilang kakalabanin nila Abra Weavers mamaya. Nagpapakitang gilas itong Pampanga Fabs basketball. Davao on the other side, only 12 points. They need to figure something out and quick. 32-12. Final minute remaining. On the middle, Balansag sends it in the corner, spins, shoots, won't score for Inigo. Nakakuha ng rebound, Aljon Bueno, looking to bring the energy. Aljon Bueno knocks it down. Official score 32-13. Make it 32-14. And a steal here. Good recovery by Davao. Jumper. Aljon with a miss. Bernarte throws it. Nakaabang si Aljon on that one. Final 20 seconds remaining. Davao looking to cut into the lead. Swing, swing. 3 off the mark. Couldn't score si Balansag. But Bueno making some big plays. 16-point lead. How will Davao finish this sizzling first quarter off? Bernarte with a floater. 34 points. Yan ang na-score ng buong Fabs Pampanga. 16 points for Davao. Starting to get their rhythms here are the boys from the Mindanao area. Let's see what will happen in the second quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga lang.
Start of the second quarter, under 21 provincial finals. Nice drive on the finish. Jonel Balansag starts the first 2 points off para dito sa Davao. Nice cut. Simbulan knocks it down. (36-18). Bernarte holds it. (36-18). Pampanga sizzling hot on that opening quarter. Can't make it. Itong si Siason, Simbulan with a miss as well. Again, good job para dito sa Davao. Kumbaga, sinalo lang nila lahat ng 3-pointers from Pampanga on their opening quarter. Now they look more composed. Let's see if they will add more. Jonel couldn't make it. 5 straight for him. Ball is passed. (36-18). 8 minutes 27 remaining. Estomo, someone that can hit it from the outside. Nice pass. Nice finish. Charles Tien scores on that drop-off. Playing well. Jonel Balansag dishing out a lot of assists. Javier on the pick. In and out dribble. Renz Javier couldn't finish. Here comes Davao. Slowly but surely Nice rejection. Nice hustle right there by Fabs. Simbulan. They've take that ball, fades away. Hindi papasok para kay Datu. As JLD, this time 2-pointer naman, has at least 14 points. Bueno, basket is good. Again, if you're Davao, just continue to fight. Buen, one of the players that showed off yesterday, missing on that one. 38-22 po ang ating official score. Pampanga had a first quarter that they will never forget, as that 3 is a miss. Estomo secures that rebound. Muntik lang maagaw. Balansag looking to hand it off to Lumanag. Simbulan will be called for a foul. (38-22). 6 minutes 50 remaining. EJ Bueno sends it outside, swings it. Balansag, open 3, Estomo. Buen with a rebound. Second try. Couldn't get that follow-up. Will shoot 2 free throws, EJ Buen. Still a lot of time for Davao. 6:45 remaining. Missing on the first. One out of 2. Again, Davao doing a good job para hindi matinag sa ganda ng shooting ng Fabs on that first. Then just need to play, need to stick through the plan. Only down by 15. Bautista, nice defense by Buen, now on the run. Sayang yun. Lumanag, EJ, Estomo for 3. Can't knock it down. Forward pass. Nasayo. Nice one. Andre Lumanag touches that ball. Almost a runaway. Can they make consecutive baskets? JLD says no. (38-23). 15-point lead. Sends it out. Lumanag hasn't hit a 3-pointer yet in his name. Balansag, got it! Ang puso ng Davao nagpapakita dito sa ating second quarter. Fabs Pampanga only scoring 4 points so far. JLD thought about that 3. Attacks and scores. 18 points for JLD. 40-26. Traveling call. David leads all scorers. He has 18. points in this game. 40-26. Yuri Masibak also in this game. David again. Bang! No! Almost halfway in. I thought that was good. From the release, lumabas lang. That's one wasted bang. 40-26. 14 points pa rin.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
After that action, let's see how will Fabs answer. 40-26. Nice adjustment by Davao on defense. Traveling call. Again, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Davao just needs to be in this game. Huwag lang mararatel. Eventually, those outside shots by Fabs, they will start to miss. Down by what? At least 18 points? 17? And now Estomo, our best player of the game on the semis, now will be on the line. Knocks down the first one. Carlo Estomo. EJ Buen makes that free throw. Randy M. Simbulan watching from Dubai knocks down both free throws si Buen. Only down by 11. This is amazing. Yung pinapakita ng Davao, Pampanga only scoring 6 points so far in the second quarter. Bautista stepping through. Missing on that three. A chance for Davao. Nice fake. A foul call once again. Down by as much as 17 points earlier. A chance to cut it to 9. Davao already scoring 13 points in the second quarter. In and out on that free throw. 13-6. Yan ang ating scoring ngayon. (40-30). 3 minutes 30 to go. Fabs Pampanga shooting has gone cold. Extra pass, Ramirez nagpasabit, merong foul. Lester Animas called for that foul. Ramirez looking to control it back on the side here for Davao, or for Pampanga I should say. Gets the first one. Davao again just staying in place here. Onse ang Kalamangan. (41-30). Fabs has the possession. Bautista going to pick David. Look for him to roll out. Stepping back. Missing on that three, I believe, was Manaloto. 41-30. Nice pass. Shot. Fake. Estomo. Can't knock it down yet. Di pa makahanap ng rhythm on the outside. Yuri with a miss. Gets his own rebound. Swings it. Bautista. Jumper won't fall. (41-30). Three from the corner. Got it. Bernarte reopens the floodgates. Pampanga scores their first three-pointer of the quarter. EJ Buen sends it on the other side. Poyos, 9 seconds to go. Goes for the cross. Jesse Poyos sends it out. Good! Andre Lumanag scores that three. Much needed for Davao. 44-33. Almost a stop there. Ramirez will get that stop on that push. Masyadong malakas. Poyos. Lumanag is asking for it. A minute 20 remaining. Locks and loads. Too strong. Gets his rebound. Andre. And one. Andre Lumanag hit a three earlier. Now going at the line. Looking to complete that 3-point play for a 6-point swing. That's 6 straight points para kay Andre Lumanag. Down by 8 ang Davao RSGT Boulders. Fabs Pampanga looking to take control as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. Bernarte tatawagan ng foul. I believe that's Hener Saldua called for that foul. 57.3. Masibak sends it on the left. Bautista. Balik kay Yuri. Is it a steal? It is a steal. Poyos on the drive. Slicing through. A hold on that attempt. Tatawagan ng foul, I believe. Itong si Bautista. Up by 17, only down by 8. Itong Davao. Chance here for Jesse Puyos. Rattles the free throw in. 44 seconds. 2-possession ball game. Some commotion happening bago pa ma-inbound ng bola. If you're Davao, cannot commit those. You are having a good second quarter as you see the officials lining up, talking to each other. Ano bang magiging resulta dito? Unsportsmanlike foul will be called here. On who? Ramirez will be called for an unspo, meaning 2 free throws, ball possession. Davao can cut this one to a 1-point lead if they make their free throws, hit their threes on the other side. Hener Saldua knocks down the first one. Makes it both. 4 na lang. Fabs Pampanga scoring 10 points in the second quarter after a blistering start. Davao will have possession after this break.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
44 seconds. Jesse Puyos and company cut the lead to 4. Andre Lumanag, 6 points. Here is EJ Buen all the way. 2-point lead na lang. Fabs Pampanga looking to salvage this run. Referees will be calling a foul on that move. Javier will be at the line. 26-10 quarter. Again, I repeat, 26-10 second quarter. Davao has made a run, limiting Pampanga to only 11 in this game. 19.7 3-point lead for Fabs Bola ng Davao. Can they tie or cut the lead to 1? Let's see what will happen.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang 45-42.
3-point lead. Estomo for the tie. We are tied at 45. 29-11. Buen with a stop. A tale of 2 quarters. Pag-usapan natin mamaya ang nangyari. 45 all, 29 points for Davao in the second.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
We are tied at 45. Second half of action. Estomo gives Davao their first taste of the lead to start off our second half of action under 21 finals. Ren Xavier scores a 2. Again, a tale of 2 halves. 34 points for Fabs Pampanga. 6 3-pointers combined David and Bautista. Pagdating ng second quarter, it is Davao. Inunti-unti nila ang kalamangan ng Pampanga, and at the end, we are now tied 45, but the first 3 and a swipe. Jesse Puyo, see you later. (50-47). is our score. Estomo has given them the lead on that three. Poyos once again sneaks one plus the foul. What a game. Davao now has the driver's seat. (53-47). What a turnaround by Davao. Kanina, they were trailing by much. That three is big. A much needed one para kay Dane Siazon. Cutting the lead to 6. From 6 to 3, I should say. And now Javier hands it off. Yuri will be fouled by Lumanag. (53-50). Yuri Masibak knocks down the first one. Again, Davao just staying the course. Talagang inabsorb lang nila yung Fabs attack. Now they're up by a point after being down by much. Largest lead of the game for them, 6 points. 53-52, kisses it off the glass. (55-52). Javier will give it kay Bernarte. David has 18 points. Nice read. Poyos with a steal. Jesse on that cross. Drops it, spins, shoots and scores. Daryl Acero drops it in for RSGT Boulders. How will Fabs respond? Bernarte sends it to Yuri. That is off to the right. 7 minutes 20 remaining. Estomo floater won't drop. (57-52). Davao enjoying a 5-point lead. Fabs Pampanga looking to shake it off in the second half. A swipe. Poyos has been playing well. Jesse all the way. What a game, what a third quarter para kay Jesse Puyos. Fabs Pampanga shocked right now. Better terms, shell-shocked. Gulat na gulat sa naging responde at atake ng Davao. JLD finishing with 18 points in the first half. Still couldn't find a basket. Completes that play. Jesse Puyos pushes the lead to 8 points. 60-40. Masibak will bring it to Bautista. Siazon breaks for 3. Kaboom! Five-point lead. Davao naman, Estomo knocks it down. Carlo Estomo, kahit siya napapailing na lang, pushes the lead back to 8 points. Bautista again, couldn't respond. Big possession for Davao. They turned the ball away. (63-55). Eight-point lead. Bautista again. Cannot snipe one. Looking to add more points on the board. Poyos off air on that 3. Gonna push. Masibak will be fouled. (63-55). Final 5 remaining. Bautista waiting for that pass. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Here is Fricks. Nice D by Tien. On that 3-pointer now. A rebound by Charles. Another 3, Estomo. Couldn't knock it down. On the push. Bautista bumps. Yuri passes it. Lopez for 2. Eric Lopez able to make a big free throw. 63-57. A chance here again for Davao to push this game away. Four minutes, 10 remaining. 63-57. Estomo, 2 3-pointers in the quarter. Andre gets a roll. That is a big shot by Andre Lumanag. Again, Fabs trailing here majority of the third. Masibak drives. Extra pass, Bautista. Nice steal. On the run. See you later. Goodbye. Jonel Balanzag completes the runoff. 68-57. 3:20 remaining. Kunalan gets a 3 to go. Favs just not stopping. 68-60. A 0 call for traveling. (68-60). Limson has the ball here in the middle. They look to attack. Pass. No one was there. On the run. Once again. 4-2. Back-to-back makes Jonel Balansag. $70-60. Going to push. Konanan again. That is off. Ball bouncing off. 70-60. Davao just turning things around. Jonel Konanan, or Jonel, I should say, on that one, Balansag, 2 straight points. Last 2 minutes in the third. Nice trip. JLD takes the ball on the run for the attack. Shadow bitin. Andre Lumanag find himself out of position, needing to hurry. Passes it inside. Balansag drops it off. Can't get that reversal. Lester and Bernarte that time. Things are getting intense. Again, gonna feel frustration on the side of Pampanga. Up by big, raining down threes. Missing on the free throw, Lester Animas. Lester with 2 misses. 70-60. Masibak to Bernarte. Sends it on the left. Nice pass. JLD turns. Almost a travel. Konanan couldn't score. Yuri Masibak can't find it. That is just good patient offense. Ivan Bernarte scores. Referees call a violation on the side of Davao. $70-62. Masibak going in for this final possession, perhaps a 3. Bang! Konanan has 2 big threes. Get the steal. Fabs are on the run. Yuri Masibak scores. Here we go. 70-67. Lumanag floater won't drop. JLD waits for a teammate. Are we going for a deadlock at the fourth? 10 seconds to go. Bernarte. Konanan can't finish. And the Davao will protect this lead as we enter the fourth. 70-67. Under 21, who will face Abra sa ating Battle of Champions? Yan ang ating alamin.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Here we go. Start of the fourth quarter. Oh, we'll have the advantage. The first few moments of our fourth quarter. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Winner with
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to,
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan.
A lot of things happened Sobrang ganda ng laban. We need to fix the electricity in this gym. 4 minutes 22. Davao's lead cut to 1. JLD, John Lloyd David, get that three-pointer to fall. Ramirez scored earlier, looking to score his 5th point of the quarter. 1 point lead para dito sa Davao. Magbabalik kami ulit.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin.
Stars are out. Andre Ugatan watching here our action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. Sila coach, habang hindi pa nagsisimula ang laban, pa-picture muna. Future superstar Andre Ugatan, part of that under 18 squad ng Makabagong San Juan. They will face off against, nakita nyo, Apong Cagayan. It's okay to be mesmerized right now, but later on it will be going down the wire. Fabs, they have possession, had that shot, 82 all. Yuri Masibak will now be at the line. Again, would like to apologize on what happened. Something happened in the electricity here inside the gym that caused to really disrupt our live stream. Rest assured, we will be good to go. Lalong-lalo na after this one. It will be Makabagong San Juan taking on against Apong Cagayan. Davao couldn't find their groove in the fourth this time. They get that steal, a foul, and now Fabs will just wait for this one. 83 to 82. (84-82). 3 minutes 25 remaining. Bautista for 3. That is off. Rebound by JLD. Two players led this Pampanga squad in that hot shooting in the first. JLD, too strong. Picks it up. Basket is good. And one for Yuri. Tides are turned once again. Yuri Masibak with a big 3-point play conversion. 84-87. Estomo, all time in the world, tied at 87. 2:45 remaining. Oh! Bautista knocks it down. Here we go for the right to face Abra Weavers. 90-87. Estomo again. Rebound, Buen. Missing on that one. Lumanag. Missing on the three. Sorry, misses on the side of Davao. Bernarte will be fouled. What an exchange that was. 90-87, Fabs with a 3-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior and PBA para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa,
Knocks down the first one. Ivan Bernarte looking to send them into that matchup against Abra Weavers. (92-87), 5-point lead. Last 2 minutes time. Lumanag, 3 on the way. Kaboom! Acero knocks it down. Oh, a long two. Not a three, but that was a long two. 92-89 ang ating score. Bernarte Ramirez gives it to JLD. David gets that basket to go. (94-90), 94-89, I should say. 5-point lead po. 5-point lead. Davao looking to shake it off. Andre misfires. Buen will be fouled. EJ Buen with a miss. Misses both. Ball is on the hands of JLD. Yuri Masibak. Referees blew their whistle. Player is down. One player is down on the side of Fabs. Happened off ball. Didn't know what happened. Comkit Picasso looking on to this one. Again, the winner will face off against Abra Weavers in the under 21 division. On my left, ready to prepare, Coach Britre Roma. and the under 18 Makabagong San Juan. Coach Alvin and the whole Apong Cagayan, they are waiting for this matchup. At ayun nga, dito lang yan mangyayari. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL. As we look to settle things here, Davao will have possession. (94-89), ball is loose. Here is EJ Buen, gets it. Poyos misfires. Jesse once again. There you go. Down by only 3. Down by only 3. Completes that steal. EJ Buen once again at the line. Big free throws to make. Third straight miss. That's their third straight miss. Talking about Buen. They need these free throws. Misses both. 94-91. 47 seconds remaining. We will have a break. Towards the end of this game, let's see who will prevail.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
Davao will have possession. 94-91, 47.2 to go. Poyos will trigger the inbound. Estomo can't tie the game. Buen once again will be back at the line. He has missed 4 straight free throws. EJ Buen needing to make this one. Maibaba man lang ang kalamangan. Five straight misses. Sometimes there's just nothing you can do. It's just the nerves. Buen finally ends that one. See on the bench, Coach John Manabat looking on. Banks in the free throw, making the most of that second chance of life. We have a timeout call, 1-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulong.
41.1 seconds to go. Bola ng Fabs, 94-93. Need to make that pass. Bernarte. They will give it. Ramirez, guarded by Estomo. David knocks it down. Knocks it down. 6 3-pointers in the contest. JLD 31.4, down by 4. Let's see how will Davao respond.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahal.
What a 3 by JLD. Pushes the lead to 4. How will Davao respond in this one? They have done it once. Let's see if they can do it again. 34 seconds here. 97-31. Drives. Estomo will be at the line. Carlo Estomo looking to shoot big free throws. Uses the glass for safety. 25.1, 25.2, I should say, on the clock. Another close game. Misses on the second. Rebound, JLD. John Lloyd David has been the hero for Fabs. They need to foul. Clock is moving. Bernarte will be fouled by Estomo. 12 seconds it took for RSGT Boulders to foul. See on your background, Coach Britre Roma, Coach Carlos Sharma, and the whole under-18 makabagong San Juan squad. Waiting on the wings. Bernarte knocks the first one. Big free throws to make once again. Ivan Bernarte knocks both down. 99, 94, 9.2. Foul is called. Free throws once again. .2 to go. A struggle for Buen. Yeah, their faces says it all. Free throws down the line. Missing on free throws. Poyos shoots the three. Misses. Fabs Pampanga, provincial champions. A game that is worthy of national coverage. Fabs Pampanga led on the first quarter, lost the lead second and third. In the fourth, storming right back. Provincial champions, they will face Abra on Davao side. Nothing to be ashamed of. Quail went into this game, overcame that onslaught in the first, had the lead majority of the way. Free throws, yun ang kanilang multo. Fabs Pampanga 99, Davao RSGT Boulders 94. Awarding ceremony will begin after this break.
Liga ng